Welcome in accountancy classes. Today I'm going to discuss petty cash book. Already I made a port video on this chapter. Today I'm going to make a video number 5. In this video you will create knowledge of analytical petty cash book. Okay, and I will discuss difference of it. Okay, try to understand the concept of this analytical petty cash book. Okay, and also I will discuss the format. So this is the format of petty cash book, analytical. Okay, simple petty cash book already I've discussed in my previous class, and in this class I will discuss analytical petty cash book. I think you can see it very well without any problem. So here you will write receipt rupees, here you will write date. Okay, here you will write the date, and this is voucher number, and this is particulars, and this is total payments, conveyance, cartage, stationery, sundry expenses. You can also write postage. Okay, input CGST, and here you will write input SGST. This is the format of petty cash book. Okay, this is format of petty cash book. If you want to take the screenshot of this format, then you can take it. Okay, please take the screenshot. Okay, very good, you have taken the screenshot. Now I am going to discuss what is the analytical petty cash book. Try to understand the concept of analytical petty cash book. What is the meaning of analytical petty cash book? I am going to discuss on today. Okay, try to understand this concept of analytical petty cash book. What do you mean by analytical petty cash book? Means what? Posting in the analytical petty cash book has two sides. How many sides? Two sides. The left side, this is left side, is for recording receipt, and here you will write receipt of cash book, which will be only from the main cashier, and right side is recording payments. Here payments and here receipt. Okay, understand? In the analytical petty cash book, a separate column is provided for recording a particular item expenditure. Postage, stationery, separate column you will write postage, stationery, traveling. Okay, sundries expense. Each and every column you will have to draw it. Okay, usually provides for sundries to record payments that are not made frequently. When a petty expenses is recorded on the right side, petty expenses recorded on the right side. This is right side. Okay, in the total payment column, the same amount is immediately recorded on the appropriate expense amount column. At the end of period, amount at the end of period, amounts in the expenses column are added. Okay, end of the period, expenses column, here is expense column, this is expense, means payment column, are added. Okay, at the end of period, amount of the expenses column are added and match with the amount in the total column. You will have to match it. So this is the concept of analytical petty cash book. Okay, and what is the difference of it? Difference of analytical petty cash book. What is the, this is analytical, this is simple, and this is analytical petty cash book. What is the difference of it? Simple petty cash book, separate records of each kinds of petty expenses is not maintained. Here separate is not required, but here is required. Analytic columns are used for the each column occurring item of expenses such as sundries, conveyance, postage. Each and every column you will have to draw it. Okay, first point. Second point is what? It is written just like a cash book. Simple column is written just like a cash book. The page are divided down the center. The page are not divided down the center. Measure space is provided for credit size. Okay, measure space are provided in credit side. Okay, at the simple cash book, simple petty cash book, at the end of the period, total expense under difference heads cannot be determined easily. Okay, in simple cash book, but in analytical cash book, at the end of the period, total expenses under difference heads can be determined easily without any problem. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. In this video I have discussed what is the difference between simple petty cash book and analytical cash book, what is the format of analytical petty cash book, each and everything I have discussed in this video. In next video I will discuss problem and solution of analytical petty cash book. Thanks for watching this video.